For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
US President Donald Trump seems to be in the midst of a cold war with many social media giants such as Twitter and Facebook. Last month, there was a war of words exchanged by the US President and Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey. In the latest, Facebook has removed a campaign ad by US President Donald Trump and Vice President Mike Pence. The ad featured an upside-down red triangle, a symbol used by the Nazis. Facebook said in a statement that the ads violated a policy against organized hate. A Facebook executive who testified at a House Intelligence Committee hearing on Thursday said the company does not permit symbols of hateful ideology. In a situation where we don't see either of those, we don't allow it on the platform and we remove it. That's what we saw in this case with this ad, and anywhere that this symbol is used, we would take the same action. The Trump campaign spent more than $17,000 on the ads for Trump and Pence combined. The ads began running on Wednesday and received thousands of impressions. In a statement, Trump campaign communications director Tim Moore said the inverted red triangle was a symbol used by Antifa, so it was included in the ad. He said the symbol is not in the Anti-Defamation League's database of symbols of hate. The Trump campaign also argued that the symbol is an emoji. But it is ironic that it took a Trump ad to force the media to implicitly concede that Antifa is a hate group. Meanwhile, Twitter has also added further insult to injury on Trump. Twitter added a manipulated media label on a video posted on US President Donald Trump's Twitter feed last week. We may label tweets containing synthetic and manipulated media to help people understand their authenticity and to provide additional context. Last month, Twitter has done a fact check on the US President's tweets. Trump, however, had reiterated saying that he will ban the social media giant for doing a fact check on his tweets. War of words ensued between Donald Trump and Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey. Trump has been under fire for various reasons, such as his handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. Trump has also received a lot of flack over the racial attacks happening in the USA, which created widespread anger and protests. Trump is now preparing for his rally in Oklahoma, which will take place over the weekend. This is the first presidential rally since the outbreak of COVID-19 in USA. Presidential elections in USA is set to take place in November this year.